So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out this pen to make these pancakes. Let's go on this side. On this side. I think I'm gonna just put it on this side. But I'm gonna just turn it on.
I'm making pancake.
Just turn it on, let that heat up. Then I'm gonna add some butter, some Smart Balance butter. That's the best butter. That and I can't believe it's butter, but I use this most of the time. And let's bring our eggs over here.
Cereal?
That's some rice I made last night, so don't mind that. And sausages is in the oven. I'm gonna try to make some Christmas inspired pancakes, and y'all gonna see. The butter's in there. I'm about to pour the pancake mix in here. A little higher. I'm gonna attempt to make a Christmas tree. Don't know how that's gonna turn out, but we gonna try. Wow. So my Christmas tree came out horrible. Really came out horrible. Hold up. Look at the Christmas tree that I try to make. Y'all, I think I'm just gonna make some regular pancakes and call it a day. I try to be festive, but this is how my festivities is coming out right now. So I'm gonna try again. Yep, so yeah, that was kind of a fail. That's how it came out. It came out alright, but I'm gonna just make regular pancakes. Wait, maybe I should make a star. No. Oh y'all, I didn't even know it was snowing today. Oh wait, the snow went away. Never mind. It still got a little bit on the trees, but we woke up to snow. And that was pretty nice. That was pretty cool. So anyways, back to cooking my pancakes. That's my son in the background, by the way. So I'm about to make some cinnamon rolls. Be fat and make some cinnamon rolls. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Make some of this right now. Got my butter. There you go. Set this up real quick right here. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. Oh, you see my legs? Oven on. I hate doing this. Lord. Hello. Oh, okay. Oh no. Ooh. Whoopsie. Gotta wash my hands. All right. Now let's do. These are so difficult to take out sometimes. It's annoying. Ugh. Pop these babies in the oven. Alright, they got a little brown. Honestly, this is how I like it, so it's alright. About to my camera dying, but I'm about to ice in them real quick and I'll be right back. Yeah, my camera died, but this is how they turned out. They were absolutely amazing. Thank you guys for watching my video. As always, stay blessed and stay tuned for my next video. Peace, love, and blessings, and Happy New Year!